why is everyone suddenly talking about agave? Agave is getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's a versatile natural sweetener that can be a healthier alternative to sugar. Plus, it's plant-based, which makes it a hit with vegans and anyone looking to eat more sustainably. But isn't sugar just sugar? Not exactly. Agave nectar has a low glycemic index, usually around 15 to 30. Compare that to regular table sugar, which clocks in closer to 65. This means agave doesn't spike your blood sugar as fast, offering a gentler energy boost. But wait, what even is agave? Agave is a succulent plant. Think aloe, but bigger, cooler, and more desert chic. It grows primarily in Mexico and is the same plant used to make tequila. So yes, agave turns into margaritas and now into sweeteners. Legendary. Okay, so what are the specific benefits? Here's the thing. Agave isn't just sweet. It's packed with prebiotics, which support good gut health. That's right, a spoonful of agave can help feed the friendly bacteria in your stomach, making digestion smoother and keeping things, well, regular. What about calories, though? Agave nectar has about 60 calories per tablespoon, slightly more than sugar at 48. But because agave is sweeter, you can use less of it without sacrificing taste. That's a pro tip right there. A little agave goes a long way. Is this stuff legit for baking? Totally. Agave is super versatile in the kitchen. Use it in place of honey or syrup for pancakes or in baked goods. Just remember to adjust your recipes. Reduce liquid slightly since agave is, well, liquidy. Baking hack: start with 1/3 cup agave for every cup of sugar. Agave works for cocktails too, right? Oh, it's a game changer for cocktails. Unlike granulated sugar, agave dissolves instantly. So no more gritty Moscow mules or margaritas, just smooth, perfectly sweetened drinks. Bonus points for impressing your friends with how hip you are. Is agave the solution for diabetics? Not quite. While agave has a lower glycemic impact, it's still a sugar. People with diabetes need to watch their overall sugar intake, including agave. It's a better option than some sweeteners, but moderation is still key. Sorry to burst that bubble. What about agave syrup versus agave nectar? This part can get confusing. They're essentially the same thing, just branding differences. But always read the label. Some agave products are overly processed, which can strip out the benefits. You want organic and minimally processed options. How does it compare to honey? It's sweeter and more neutral in flavor, which is great if you don't want the floral taste honey sometimes brings. Plus, while honey isn't vegan, agave is fully plant-based. It also lasts longer without crystallizing like honey often does. Is there a downside to agave? Here's the rub. Agave is high in fructose, even more than high fructose corn syrup. That's fine in small doses, but can strain your liver if you go overboard. The key here, like with anything, is to use it sparingly. Don't drown your oatmeal. So should I switch to agave? If you're looking for a sugar alternative with a bit of a nutritional edge, agave is worth trying. But it's not a free pass for a sweet tooth. Think of it as a tool, not a crutch. Also, it just feels fancy to say, oh, I use agave. Total humble brag.